Okay, today's the day. We get what we get. It looks like there's only a handful of ears total, and they're all small. So okay, well that is not dried, and we're going to let it dry, but I'm going to go ahead and take the corn. I think. Should I leave it? You know what? Oh, shoot. It's not dried. It needs to dry in the field, right? If it were in the field, it would need to dry in the field. When aphids show up, it's time to... No, yeah,
It's
close
beautiful.
it up, close it up. But I'm gonna let it dry, Eric. This is for drying and grinding to corn. For tamales, for tortillas. Yeah, that's exactly what it's for. Atole. Okay. Some of these are not dried, but it's just the way it goes. Time to clear out. Clear out and clean up. First Thursday workday of 2019. And we're probably going to bust up these containers. If this would dry and I could just grind up a little bit of corn, I would be so happy. Because I bought a corn grinder 3 years ago and I've never used it. Does anybody know what this is? This is a volunteer. I had several of them. It's not a pepper.
It's not pepper?
No. So these containers that kind of roll, but not well, have served my purpose, and they were made from the recycled wood of my fence. If you go back 3 years into my videos, you will see that I had a fence around the porch made out of these boards. So I reused these boards, and I've used these for 3 years now, but the bottoms are rotted. And I didn't expect them to last forever when they were made, and so today they're going to be disassembled and the driveway cleared.
The corn.
Somebody asked to see my greenhouse. It's simply this. Right now it's empty. I may be putting some plants in there. So I was just looking in this trash bin to see how much potting soil we already had stored in here, and there are sweet potatoes growing. So we're going to mound them up and leave the lid off so they grow. Yeah, some of them are shorter. I don't know how they're growing because this hasn't been watered.
There's no water, no sun.
No water, no sun, and they're green and beautiful. Isn't that funny? Yeah, this one. Put some more there.
Happy.
Okay. We'll put a little water on it. But there are no holes in the
water.
bottom. There's no holes in the bottom.
No hole.
Oh boy.
Pero no water. Very good soil.
I know. I wish somebody would come and...
You want to put it in the heavy duty plastic? Temporario?
Yeah.
This?
Oh, no, no. I don't want to put it in that.
No?
No, I thought you meant... oh, look what we have here. Where are you trying to get to? Come here. Come on. That needs some water. Okay. It's not moving. There you go. It's a little one. Now that's going to be full, and you're not even going to have a third of that out of there. Oh boy.
Nice.
Very nice.
Clean.
Yeah.
If we don't have more container.
We're going to have to put it up here with all those other ones. Eric just lifted it up from the bottom, and you see what a mess it was. It was just ready to completely
damaged.
Yeah. So that's hitting the, ooh, this is getting full. You have to go into the other one. And I tried to move those sweet potatoes that were growing in here. And the big one, I didn't dig down deep enough and I broke it off. But I moved the 3 little ones into here. Yay. One more. Right, we still have more dirt in there than we have room to put here. So, okay. We've got about 40 minutes to get all this done. Where?
See the big one?
Oh, that's a termite larva.
Larva, see?
Yeah, they were having a field day with this. Okay.
Oh, got it.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah, put it in the.
You're gonna put it in the compost?
In compost. It's very nice.
Eric, can you take a sponge and just wipe this inside and out, and let's clean underneath it before you go, so we can make sure all this looks clean and neat.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Small room.
Good job.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.